Dear Super Mommy, hello. Happy day to you. I remember last January on Liam's birthday, you brought us to Gold Grove Farm. I really got excited because it was my first time to see farm animals. They were so cute and it was very fun to see them.
Kuya, continue.
Thank you for bringing us to new places. Thank you for letting us go to new places. Thank you for letting us see God's beautiful creations.
I hope.
I hope you're always
Healthy.
you're always
Healthy.
healthy and strong. With loves and kisses, Santo.
Kiss mommy. That's to seal the deal.
Are you not thankful you don't like to kiss mom?
Kiss your brother. Kiss your brother. Ano ko, anak? Ah, no, not me. Okay ka lang, na? Lucas, kiss daddy next.
Kuya?
Naughty kuya na.
Stop it! Stop it!
Bad kuya, bad. Walang ganyanan. Walang physical. Ang bad ni Enzo. Ano ko, masakit anak yung baba mo. Ang sakit.